Hi students, in this session we just continue with the discussion of how to convert regular expressions to a finite automata. In the last session we had discussed the general procedure how to convert the expression to automata. Now let's see some of the examples. So just to recall, you have already understood to write a plus b. We had taken this is the automata we write for the expression a plus b. Now, we need to understand for similar such expressions given, if it is lengthy expression, how do I write it? Isn't it? Let's start understanding it and let's see how does it work. Let's take the first simple expression a plus b whole star followed by ab. Then you can either write the automata completely or you can first write it for a plus b whole star, then you can combine with a b. Either of it is possible. I preferably go with writing together. Already we have seen how to write a finite automata from the regular expression in the last session. If you want, you can just refer the video. Link is in the description. Okay. It is a plus b whole star. This part I am taking care for a plus b. Can easily observe. See, this is a, this is b. So we know we need to use epsilon for this to fill. This is done. Now let's continue. This will be for accepting epsilon and this will be for repetition. The epsilon transition from start to end or the from beginning to intermediate is for epsilon. This going back epsilon transition is to accept next set of symbol. So now moving on, I need to accept AB. So from here, I just say A. Is it necessary to include epsilon transitions or can we reduce? It depends. See, even here, when you write AB, as per the general procedure, you may have A followed by epsilon followed by B. But I have reduced one epsilon. Doesn't matter. AB is accepted. Even here, this epsilon transitions, instead we can start from here itself, or you can give this epsilon transition to this state as well. Anyhow, numbering states is optional. You can number or you can stop it. This is for a plus b whole star followed by ab. Next problem. Check this. It is a star followed by ab or ba followed by b star. Let's start. Let's do it for ab plus ba first. Then we can add suffix and prefix for that. Okay. This is ab. Similarly, be rated for ba. So now AB plus BA is done. Let's write it for AB, sorry, A star as the prefix and B star as suffix. You can check. This is for A, this is for repetition, this is for epsilon. Similarly, here, this will be the first state for this. Then I would accept B. This is for repetition. This is to accept epsilon. So we can say this accepts epsilon, this accepts repetition. Hope that's clear. I repeat, if you want to know, this this is for A star, this is AB or BA, this is B star. Hope that's clear. Let's continue with next one. We'll solve another problem. Check the question. It is 0 star plus 1 plus 0 1 whole star followed by 0 0. Sigma is changed. So let's start with 0 star. This is for 0 star. This is plus. So I just take this state. See, there is 1 plus 0 whole star. So again we need to shift it here. Mean to say split. 0, 1. Hope you can able to see. This upper part is for 0, lower part is for 0 1. I'm just filling epsilon wherever missed. Now this has to be taken for whole star. Epsilon another epsilon transition. This is over for 1 plus 0 1 whole star. Now this, observe properly, this should be, it is 1 plus 0 1 whole star followed by 0 0. So this we need to continue with 0 0. 0 and 0. Now this we will combine here. This is the final state. Because less space, I just try to make it. Seems to be clumsy. You can try to understand the same. Hope that's clear for you. So this part is for 0 star. This is 0 0 1 on the whole star. This is 0 0. Ultimately, we end it here. Hope you have understood. Keep watching, subscribe the channel, share with your friends. Thank you.